Ah, yo, let's go.
Wow!
Are you ready to use your brains? We have another session of BS Games. Now, let me introduce them all. Let me tell you their names first, yo. Here we go. Let's go. What's up? He's a killer and wild like the jungle. It's no other than Kill Uncle. Wait a minute. Teka lang. Wait a minute. In Tagalog is teka. What rhymes with her? It's sheka. Ages like wine, matapang like gin. It's no other than Bujin. He will never give up. He will never say no. It's a boy from the north, Skid Olivino.
What?
Naku, wait. Ang hirap i-rhyme kasi Tagalog. Walang iba kundi si Itlog.
Huh?
Okay, wait. She's the greatest. That's what she says. It's no other than Ice Princess. Oh yeah. And before I forget, it's the X Factor. It's none other than your boy Noob Ambassador. And yeah, now I'm gonna pass it to the man, our moderator, no other than Sandman.
Thank you!
Go.
Wow, what? Good job, galing. Ang hirap naman tapatan nun. Parang, sige, parang gusto ko nang gawing video.
Go
Tigilan
kill
natin, i-upload ko
uncle.
na.
Go kill uncle.
Challenge accepted by
Pag
Bujin.
ito hindi magandang game. Sayang yung opening ng
Kailangan
baba sila.
sasabi
Bujin,
kong
labas mo na yung rhyming dictionary
Make
mo.
this a very good game. Oh, wow. Anyway,
Ang bato ko pa rin si
Oh,
Bujin
galing,
sa
galing.
bedroom boys. Bujin.
magpa-plug tayo ng improv third world, ano yan? Yung improv,
Third world improv.
improv, yeah. Check it out. Anyway.
Talo ko dun lagi.
So, we are playing Avalon with these 7 players. We have a number of roles. Meron tayong 3 bad guy. Meron tayong assassin na ang pinaka-goal niya is hanapin si Merlin, lalo na kapag natalo sila sa mga quests. Meron tayong Morgana na magpre-pretend na Merlin para panggulo kay Percival. At meron tayong Mordred. Si Mordred, bad guy, hindi siya kilala ni Merlin. So, hindi ako mag-write. Hindi siya kilala ni Merlin. So, napakalakas ni Mordred. For the good guys, meron tayong Merlin na kilala niya yung 2 sa 3 bad guy. Kilala ni Merlin si Assassin, siya kilala si Morgana. Hindi niya kilala si Mordred. Meron tayong Percival. Si Percival, kilala niya si Morgana at si Merlin, pero hindi niya alam kung sino dun yung good, sino yung bad. And meron tayong 2 loyal servants of Arthur. Na wala lang, good guys lang sila. Remember, kapag good guy ka, you always have to put in a success. Kapag bad guy ka, pwedeng good, pwedeng success, pwedeng fail. Anyway, nag-randomize na kami ng roles and ng sequence. Mabilis lang to guys. Make your mics to stick. Mag-roll reveal na tayo. 3 bad guys, Gising. Assassin, Morgana, and Mordred, Gising. Okay. For the benefit of the viewers, for the benefit of the viewers, mag-wave muna si Assassin. Assassin, wave to the camera. Yeah, he or she is the Assassin. Morgana, wave to the camera. Morgana, yeah, he or she is Morgana. And yung isa naman is Mordred. All right, go back to sleep. Good luck. Everyone, wake up.
Everyone, wake up.
All right, tingnan natin ano mangyari sa game na to. I randomly selected their sequence. We start again with Kill Uncle. Kill Uncle, for this first quest, pick 2 people. 2 people lang.
A pen. Adesara, a pen. Okay,
malabo yung chances na maging evil ako consecutive days. So, just saying.
Very well. I choose you, Noob Ambassador.
Wow. Pero kung sinabi yun, chances are, bad guy nga siya.
Actually, pero...
Cupid.
Pagpili mo kay NA. Naka-rhyme dapat. Naka-rhyme yung pagpili kay NA.
Pen. No, please, don't take me
wrong.
What did you say? Ba't di mo pipiliin CNA?
Sino ba Ambassador? NA talaga pinipili mo kailan ko?
Yes, of course. Why not? I have no clue.
Okay, so...
I might avoid Skido, Sheka, Bujin for now.
Anyway, Kill Uncle selects new ambassador. 4 votes to 4 votes to cancel. Who's against that grouping? Task kamay. Going once. Going twice. Going 3 times. Okay.
There we go.
Kill Uncle and new ambassador selling your votes. Reminder, kung good ka, and for the benefit of Sheka, kung good ka, you can only put in success. Kung bad ka, pwedeng success, pwedeng fail.
S for suck.
Okay, nakuha ko na ang dalawang votes for this first quest. Successful. Both Kill Uncle and New Ambassador put in a success. 1 point for the good guys. New Ambassador, it's your turn. Pick 3 people.
Excuse me. I volunteer.
Sinong gustong masama para ito'y success, sabihin nyo na ang inyong request.
Pen, the Sarah pen.
Ayoko, trap yan. Usually, second quest, trap yan.
I don't want to
So,
be
ako si Kill Uncle and NA.
Ikaw, Kill Uncle and NA.
Bahay, kubo, kahit munti.
Sige, si Bujin. Me, Kill Uncle, and Bujin.
Okay. New Ambassador selects
Tala yung nag-volunteer.
himself, Kill Uncle, and Bujin. 4 votes to cancel. Sino against na sa grouping niya?
Mahilig
Taas
sa
kamay.
gin yan si Bujin
Going once.
according to you
Going twice.
Reliable yan, lasing.
Going
Talking na, Bujin.
3 times. Okay. Kill Uncle, New Ambassador, and Bujin. Send in your votes. Success or fail. I'm waiting for one more. Okay, got it. Sa kanilang tatlo, guys. Oops, sorry. Ito. Sa kanilang tatlo, may isang
Nako, sabi na, Bujin ang malas.
may isang
You
nag-fail
broke the
sa
circle of
kanilang
trust, Bujin. Okay na tayo yan.
Ako, kailangan may kumalas kasi may isang malas.
Salamat sa pag-betray, NA.
Grabe. Mula opening, ngayon lang nagsalita si Bujin, inisip na yung line na yun. Inisip na yung line na yun mula opening.
Bujin,
Anyway,
ilang minutes pa pinag-isipan yung line na yun. Gusto ko malaman.
mamaya na closing na ulit magsasalita si Bujin.
Anyway.
Anyway.
And Tessie.
Sheka, good luck. You have to pick 4 people.
So, Sheka,
Ay,
nag-fail.
3 people, sorry. 3
Ito
people.
yan, Sheka. Nung first quest, successful kami ni NA. Nung sinama
Tama.
si Bujin, nag-fail.
So, pumili ka
Tama.
ng isa sa second quest.
So, wag mo na
Kasi
sama
mataas
si
yung
Bujin.
chance na good guy makukuha mo dun.
Sama mo kami ni NA and you. Let's build that circle of trust. Wag mo na sama si Bujin.
Kumuha ka ng isa sa second quest. May dalawang good guy dun, so mataas chance mo.
So, as good guys, we cannot press fail. So, kami ni Noob Ambassador.
Yeah.
Good guys, you cannot press fail. Tama yan.
Teka, pinapaniwalaan mo ba yan?
Chicken Uncle, ang galing niya, ang galing nitong mag-act na ano eh.
You know you can test
Lahat
this. You
po
can
kayo.
test that. You can
Lahat
test that
po
because
kayo.
of the
This is
fourth
my
quest, because of the third quest.
Fifth or fourth Avalon game.
Skido and Kill Uncle.
Tatlo ha? And sino pa?
I love
Tsaka
it.
ikaw. Tsaka ikaw.
So, si Bujin.
You.
Ay, hindi ka kasali? Tatlo lang to.
NA.
Sama mo
Hindi ka kasali?
sama mo sarili mo.
Ako.
Wait,
Ako
ako
si
si
If you're good, otherwise, you know.
Okay.
Okay lang, hindi.
Sheka selects herself, Skiddo, and Kill Uncle. Tama, Sheka?
Yes.
Ah,
Sasali. Bakit di ka sasali?
For votes to cancel. Grabe mga singit na hindi ko na-expect. 4 votes to cancel. Once again, sa grouping of
Bacchus.
Kill Uncle, Sheka, and New Ambassador. Taas ang kamay. Going one. Ay, sorry. Kill Uncle, Sheka, and Skiddo. Taas kamay. Going once. Going twice. Go.
Why is Ice Princess raising her hand? Why are you raising your hand, Ice Princess?
Dalawa lang yan.
Skiddo,
Ako, hindi mo ako tinatanong.
Sleepy.
Cannot
I'm
fail.
asking you. Why are you raising
Are you
your
asking me?
hand?
S for Sheka.
Both of you.
It's okay ba? Ayan, Sheka.
Ay, actually, advice ko rin no, nakumuha siya ng isa from the last quest. Oops.
Yeah.
Two
Ikaw
votes.
nagsabi eh. Pero dapat piliin ko si Itlog.
Huwag mo na piliin si Bujin. Masama yung rap.
I got
Ay.
3 votes.
Ay.
Joke.
All 3 put
Oh my God! Ano ba yan? Tama!
All
Ano kasi yun si
three.
Bujin?
put in
I
success.
called it!
2 points good, guys. Isang successful quest, pwede
Yes,
nang manalo ang
Bujin.
good, guys.
Bujin, huwag mo piliin sa sarili mo. And,
It
we will-
is Bujin's choice now. Apat na pipiliin niya. Pero Pag isa lang ang nag-fail, point pa rin for the good guys. Pag dalawa ang nag-fail, point for the bad guys. Go ahead.
Huwag mo na sama sarili mo if you're really good.
Pick
Sino
four.
yung last?
Who
Kill Uncle,
success that?
Skiddo, and Sheka.
It's Kill Uncle, me, and Sheka.
But these are yung
Last
pangalawa.
quest plus isa dun sa second quest na hindi
Nauna si Noob Ambassador,
Ganun yun eh.
Sheka, ako, and Skiddo.
Based on
the
track,
quest.
sadly, based on track record, Kill Uncle might be good. Sadly.
You mean good, alignment?
Kuha ka ng isa sa second quest, then kunin
Or
yung
Kill Uncle
third
could be
quest.
fooling us. He could be Morgana or something.
No, I don't do that. I only do that in Shakers.
Alam mo
Or
kung
he could
sino
be
yung
like
dapat
assassin.
pagkatiwala. Yung mga ibang
bad.
kasama mo dun sa pangalawa.
Wikiti.
Wait, who?
Woot.
Oh, I don't know. I have no idea who's good.
Okay, Bujin, before you say the names, dapat rap ha.
Grabe, Uncle
Then 10 minutes later.
Wait, iniisip ko kasi si Kill Uncle magaling sa ganitong pagsaset.
Well, it's only my third game.
So,
iray mo yung game.
What a shame.
Wow!
So lame. My rhyming game.
Wait, who played first quest successful again?
First
Kill
quest successful.
Uncle
Kill Uncle, Noob Ambassador.
Sino?
Kill Uncle, Noob Ambassador.
And
Sila yung dalawa, di ba?
Sila yung
Sa first quest.
Successful first quest.
I would go for Skiddo, Noob
Nako.
Ambassador,
You have been tainted.
myself.
Nako, sure taint.
Ay, nako.
And when I say taint, I mean...
Bakit pinili mo si Skiddo? Kasi kailangan dalawa kayong mag-fail? Yun na ba ang
Oh,
inyong
I
game
am
plan?
loyal servant of Arthur. That's why are you pinning it
It's
down
just
on
long
me?
play,
I am
like a
good.
snake.
Guys, this is going to
No, I
fail
am good.
because
Definitely.
second quest nag-fail with Noob Ambassador and Bujin. So obviously there must be some tension between
So,
the two.
pag tinanggal ko si Skiddo, ipapalit ko si Sheka, okay lang.
Hindi. Wag. Wala ka na dapat.
Oo nga,
Let's
Fuji.
go.
Dapat wala ka.
So Bujin should be.
May
So
iba
Kill
lang.
Uncle, you're saying
May iba
Bujin
lang.
should be not.
Bujin, if you're good,
included in
do
the
it for the
equation?
good of the quest. Take
So,
yourself out.
sino pipiliin ko?
Hindi ko alam actually. Noob Ambassador ako kasi nag-succeed first quest. Check nag-succeed third quest. Successful!
But this is Skiddo.
Yeah, I'm good because
I have
I
no
success
clue.
too.
Wait, Skiddo, what did you do? What quest were you?
Ano
Third,
daw
only
role
the
mo?
third. Only the third.
Ano daw sinensay ni
I press-
Sandman
that's
kanina?
third. Then someone was
No, with
Skiddo.
the heart. I press with the heart. I resend it.
Hindi ko alam kung bakit ayaw si Skiddo.
No, that's well, I don't know.
Actually, Kill Uncle is saying that you should not be included there, Bujin. He's throwing shade on you.
No, I'm not
Since
even
round
choosing
one.
myself yet. I'm not
Or
even
since round
choosing
two.
myself yet. So I'm
Oh,
just saying
really?
Skiddo.
Okay.
Okay kayo doon. Kill Uncle, okay ka doon?
Sheka, okay ka doon?
Kanino?
Ipasa mo yung tanong. Ipasa mo yung
Skiddo
tanong.
Sheka,
Ipasa mo
okay
yung
ka
tanong.
doon?
Dali.
Skiddo?
Pasa mo pa yung tanong.
Okay, go.
Go daw.
So si Skiddo yung number 1.
Natutol yung tanong.
Si Sheka yung number 2.
Sila na ipakulong.
Okay tayo kay Sheka?
Number
Okay
3
na
kaya
ako.
si Sheka.
Succeed yung third quest. I guess. Yeah, sige, okay.
Kill Uncle kaya
Sheka.
number 1, tapos si Sheka
Okay.
number 3.
Tapos si NA, pipiliin ko rin.
Go.
And
Sige, si Sandman na gano.
Sige lang.
Si Sandman, isalin mo di Sandman.
Sige. Good ako, promise. Good ako, promise.
Bullshit.
Yan ang fail.
Kaya sabi ko, ewan natin. Pag ako nagana, ewan natin.
Bujin and
Wait.
Bujin is likes gin.
Hindi ko alam kung... Well, Skiddo and Sheka, okay ako. Pipiliin ko yung sarili ko as number 3.
Okay.
And one more.
And then...
No, kasi nag-fail nga ng second quest eh.
yeah, you were included there and it failed, dude.
Bakit hindi si Kill Uncle yung nag-fail?
And Kill Uncle too.
Successful ang first quest namin ni
Wait, who?
That's
Who?
BS.
Basta
Wait,
magtanggal ka ng
who-
isa sa third quest.
Or is it?
Wait, who's the third quest again? Me, Sheka,
Sheka
and
and,
Uncle,
Uncle.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and we all put success there.
And then now the Skiddo, ask yourself, who were in the second quest? That's all. Who was in the second quest? I forgot.
Hindi, posibleng sinelas niyo ako eh.
You and Bujin.
Noob Ambassador, who did you choose for the second quest?
Kiluncle, Noob Ambassador, and Bujin.
Bujin na yan, kasi successful yung first quest.
Posibleng sinetap niyo ako eh.
Posible.
Yes.
Pwede rin nga, imposible, because being good, we cannot tell a lie.
Bullshit! Ha.
Gupit nga.
So, Skiddo, Sheka, Bujin, and Ice Princess.
Wow!
Wait, why are there so
Bujin,
many
you guys could
variables
cancel
there?
it if you don't want to, pero Bujin selection, numerically,
Sheka, first to cancel. Skiddo, second to cancel.
Skiddo, and Ice Princess. Reminder, pag isa lang ang nag-fail, point pa rin for the good guys and they could win. Pag dalawang nag-fail, point for the bad guys.
Bakit ka biglang may pinasok? Parang masakit ito na parang kang tinusok.
Cancel, guys.
4 votes to cancel. Taas kamay yung against
Trust this.
It's cancelled.
Trust
It's
this.
cancelled. Lima na nag-cancel.
Denied.
I don't trust
Skiddo.
this.
Pick
Man,
4.
the beer is killing me.
Your turn, Skiddo.
4?
Go, Skiddo.
Wait, who played successful? Me, Sheka, and
Yung third
Kiluncle,
quest.
right?
Third quest.
Okay, I'm gonna choose the three of us because we played successful.
Did what? Oh yeah, sure.
But one of them could be bad and played successful so that they could enter the fourth quest.
We'll find out. We will find out.
Good. What are you talking about?
Hindi natin alam.
We will find out.
Who?
Wait, sino ba?
Wait, who? It was successful, right? Who played
first quest?
Successful.
Skiddo, okay lang naman kahit pumalpak ang isa. Ang
First
success
quest
naman ay hindi
successful.
mawawalang bisa.
Okay, so if I'm gonna choose myself, Sheka and Kiluncle, just because you put successful, and then based on statistics, I'm gonna choose Noob because he pressed successful in the first quest. Or Bujin. Wait.
No.
Wait, why you don't take Bujin?
So my basis is first quest, myself
Who do
and
you
Noob
trust?
successful.
Because we need to
included
pass.
Bujin, it failed. So obviously, it's either Bujin or Noob Ambassador.
I trust Kiluncle because he played
Nagpapauto
good.
kayo dyan. Nagpapauto kayo kay Kiluncle.
Kiluncle, if this fails, I'm gonna blame it on you, okay? I'm gonna choose myself, Sheka, Kiluncle, and Noob. Like what Kiluncle said.
Skiddo selects,
Yes,
numerically
Kiluncle.
speaking, Kiluncle, Noob Ambassador, Sheka, and Skiddo.
Hashtag.
Reminder, again, isang fail, may point yung bad guys. Dalawang fail, isang fail, point for the good guys. Dalawang fail, point for the bad guys. 4 votes to cancel. Who's against the grouping of Kiluncle, Noob Ambassador, Sheka, and Skiddo? Taas kamay. Going once?
No, not me.
Going twice?
Come on, bad guys.
Going 3 times. It pushes through. Go ahead.
Hindi makakancel, Bujin. Sunod yung kasama mo.
Hashtag long game.
Oh, I am good.
I'm waiting for 2 more.
I swear to you.
This is the wrong call for you.
I'm just a good guy.
Remember, pag isa lang ang nag-fail,
if this
pa rin
fails,
for the
Kiluncle,
good
it's all on
guys.
you.
So, Skiddo, are you ready for the long con?
Lahat nag-success. I could announce, di pa tapos yung game, I could officially announce na ang bad guys are Bujin as the assassin.
Wait, is it
Ice Princess as Morgana, Sleeping Morgana, and Itlog as Morgan.
Sleeping Beauty.
So, it's Bujin's decision. Mag-send ka ng private message. Look for Merlin. Pwede kayo mag-usap. Go ahead.
Oh, Egg. Tayong dalawa na lang mag-uusap dito. Natutulog yung isa eh.
Drugs yan.
Lalokohin lang tayo niyan.
Sino sa tingin mo?
Man screenshot.
May dalawang suspect pero parang mas gusto ko bato doon sa isa.
Feeling ko sino ba ambassador?
Kasi?
feeling ko si Noob Ambassador dahil strategy ni Merlin, pipili siya ng bad guy para hindi obvious. Ikaw, sino sa tingin mo?
Sa tingin ko si Skido kasi sabi niya, nung pumipili si Sheka, sabi niya, you can test Kill Uncle. Parang pinupush niya na piliin si Kill Uncle kasi alam niyang good si Kill Uncle.
When you are ready, send a private message. Pero pwede pa kayo mag-usap.
Pwede rin Percival pala si Skido at alam niyang Merlin si Kill Uncle. Tapos sure na sure siyang good guy si Kill Uncle. Kasi Merlin nga. So pwede rin si Kill Uncle. Pwede rin, yun lang yung dalawang suspect.
Si Kill Uncle tsaka si Skido? Ice Princess.
Tulog na si Ice Princess. Ayan nyo na siya. Patulogin nyo na yan.
Ice Princess, pag di ka pa rin over sa ex mo, huwag ka magsalita.
Grabe. Sabi na nga ba.
The truth has been told.
I will go for...
Private message when you're ready. Private message. You can do a fake out, pero send me a message. Okay, so I got a message na from the assassin Bujin. He chose to assassinate Skido. Skido is Merlin. Good job, Bujin. Skido is Merlin. Percival si Sheka, nakita niya nagbe-wave si Skido at saka si Ice Princess kanina. Yes, the bad guys won. Nanakaw pa nila yung victory from the good guys.
I had no clue.
Yeah. Grabe na padali pala na ito para kay Sheka kasi tulog yung nagpre-pretend na.
Pero nakapag-wave pa si Ice Princess kanina.
Yeah, pero puhulaan ko kung sino si Merlin dun sa dalawa. Malamang si Skido.
Good job, good job. Ouch! Tahimik na sila. Natahimik namin good guys bigla.
Test kill uncle pala, ha?
Actually, wala akong clue.
Ba't ang lulungkot nyo? Hindi kayo nag-enjoy?
Tawa naman dyan.
Oo nga, mag-enjoy naman kayo kasi tama kami.
Actually, to be fair, wala akong clue. Kaya, I'm happy for you.
Loyal servants of Arthur lang si Kalakal Numama. Sige, let's wrap this game up na so we can start a new ambassador. Sige na, let's and magpipili pala ng opener si Bujin and Itlog later. But go ahead, new ambassador.
Oh, don't forget Ice Princess. She's bad too.
Whoa. Sad. And that was another game. Oh my God, such a shame. Nanalo na naman ng bad, kaya kami ngayon ay sad. And and if you've enjoyed this video and love our vibe, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to join us, feel free to comment down below. Please just wait a moment and say hello. You can join us on our next PS game. And maybe one day I'm gonna rap about your name. Peace out, yo.
Yo!